Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bread Gulab Jamun at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 8 to 10 slices of white bread. Make sure to carefully remove all the crusts. We'll also use 1/2 cup of milk to help bind everything together. For the sweet syrup, prepare 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Finally, have a pinch of fragrant cardamom powder and a few delicate saffron strands ready for that authentic flavor. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and prepare the dough. Begin by tearing your crustless bread slices into small, manageable pieces and placing them into a mixing bowl. Gradually pour in the 1/2 cup of milk, kneading the mixture gently until it forms a soft, pliable dough. It's important to ensure the dough is smooth and completely free of any lumps for the best texture. Once ready, divide the dough into about 20 to 25 small, uniform, round balls. With our jamun balls shaped, it's time for the frying stage. Heat enough oil or ghee in a deep pan over a medium-low flame. The key here is a consistent, moderate temperature to ensure even cooking. Carefully drop the bread balls into the hot oil, frying only a few at a time to avoid overcrowding the pan. Let them fry until they achieve a beautiful, rich golden brown color on all sides. Once perfectly fried, remove them and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Finally, let's prepare the irresistible sugar syrup and soak our jamuns. In a separate pan, combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, letting it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes slightly sticky to the touch. Stir in the fragrant cardamom powder and delicate saffron strands. While the syrup is still warm, gently immerse all the fried bread jamuns. Allow them to soak for at least 30 minutes or even longer to absorb all that wonderful sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.